Hello, my name is Blaine Mitchell, and this is my English 2210 portfolio. This is my homepage. My homepage consists of my About Me information, a photo of myself, and below will be posted a walkthrough to help guide you throughout my portfolio. There are 3 important tabs on top that we need to talk about. The first tab is my instructional video tab. It will have anything related to the instructional video project, such as the draft and the final project. The second tab is my video proposal tab. It will have the draft, final project, and any other important information related to the project. The third tab is my creative revision tab. It will have the draft, final project, and any other important information relating to the project. There is a tab for my SLO memorandum, which will progressively be composed of each reflection completed per project, but that will not be completed until the end of towards the end of the semester. Next is a tab for my reflections. There is a reflection for each project that will be included in this tab. My next tab is my rough draft library tab. It is a go-to place to be able to view all of my drafts for any of my projects that I complete. So there is an instructional video draft, proposal draft, and creative revision draft. My last and final tab is my Contact Me tab. Here you can find my UNM email, just in case anyone needs to contact me about anything related to a project, anything related to something we talked about in class, etc. That is it for my portfolio. I tried to make my portfolio as organized as possible, and I hope after watching this video, it will help guide and navigate you to any information you may be seeking within my portfolio. Thank you.